Here's how you play Nedge's fire alarm. You run into a gap and start yelling, fire! The more Muppets that leg it outside, the more points you get. Simple. Okay, everyone, we've got a fire on our hands. Please, everyone, we've got a fire next door. Please, leave the building now. There's a fire. Get out now! Get out! It's not a fucking joke. Get out! For fuck's sake, there's a fire next door. Just congregate out the front. Stay out the front. Stay out the front. Thank you. Go out the front doors now. Fucking, there ain't no fire, but just in case. You fucking pricks. There ain't no fucking fire. You fucking... I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm rolling. I'm rolling. This is not a fucking joke. I'm ready. You smell it? It's burning. It smells of fire in here. You smell fire? Fucking fire! Fucking fire! Get out of the fucking fire! Get out! Get out of the fucking fire! Get out! What are you doing? Get the fuck out! Jesus, get the fuck out! Get out! Get the fuck out! He's on fire! I'm ready! Get the fuck out! What are you doing? There's a fire! Please, everyone, get the fuck out now! Please, everyone, now! Get out! Get out! This way, please, everyone! This fucking whole place is gonna go! Get out! Go on, fuck off! Get out! All of you out now! Fucking move! Get out, you fucking pricks! I'm ready! Out! Out! Get out now! There ain't no fucking fire in here! You prick! Ain't a fucking movie starting! I'm ready! I'm ready to tell you, mate! 40 fucking free!